सच की आवाज NPS न्यूज में आपका इस्तकबाल है। मैं हूं मोहम्मद जावेद। देखिए आज की अहम
I welcome you all to this professionally very important video conference which will be interactive, and the purpose of this meeting is to ensure that all of you use the tool of investigation, that is forensic science, that forensic evidence, to the maximum. In the present day, forensic science is one of the most important tools. So first of all, I would like to compliment all the forensic science lab officers, executives, all the staff for the excellent work done by each one of you, despite the fact that there are a lot of vacancies and other challenges. I would like to draw the attention on two important things. Most important is human dignity. No amount of science and technology will be enough if our functioning is affecting human dignity. That is most important, and I will say that is the soul of policing. The second thing I would like to mention is that another few months, 3 to 4 months, very large number of women officers will be joining the department. The number which is unprecedented. In the past, never this much of recruitment of women officers have happened. So this is an additional responsibility on each one of you as SHO, as a leader. Things are changing. We are changing into a new world where 30% of our strength will be women officers. So it is our collective effort to make them comfortable, respect their dignity, and understand the values of the new generation. I am requesting each one of you, each SHO, you have to play the role of a father in your police station.
So just to tell you that, for example, today we are doing POXO cases and cyber cases. In most of our cases, we are able to dispatch the report. In fact, in almost 80%